In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to a Zoom meeting. Whether you're hosting a quick catch-up or a formal presentation, inviting someone to join your Zoom meeting is simple and only takes a moment. First, make sure you've started a meeting or scheduled one for later. If you're starting now, once your meeting window is open and you can see the toolbar, you're ready. If you've scheduled a meeting for a future time, the invitation options will be available as soon as the meeting starts. Look to the meeting toolbar and click Participants. This opens a panel that shows who's currently in the meeting and gives you controls related to participants. This panel is also where you'll find the option to bring others in quickly, so it's the best place to manage invitations on the fly during a call. Next, click Invite. This brings up the invitation window with different ways to share access. Zoom keeps this centralized so you don't have to hunt around for links or codes during a live call. Now choose how you want to send the invite. If you prefer email, select the email option. This typically opens your default email app with a pre-filled message that includes the meeting link and may include the meeting ID and passcode if one is required. Before sending, it's a good idea to double-check the details, add any context, and make sure you're emailing the correct person. This method is great when you want a clear paper trail, calendar integration, or you're inviting someone who primarily communicates through email. Alternatively, you can choose Copy Invite Link. This copies the meeting's unique join URL to your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere: team chat, a text message, or a project management comment. It's fast and flexible, especially during an ongoing meeting when someone needs to hop in right away. Just remember that anyone with the link can request to join, so share it only with people you trust. If your meeting uses a waiting room, you'll still approve entrance before they appear in the call. Finally, send the invitation to the person you want to join. If you used email, hit send. If you copied the link, paste it into your chosen app and send the message. Let the person know if they may need a passcode, or if you'll admit them from the waiting room. Once they receive the invite, they can click the link and join you directly. That's all there is to it. Start or schedule, open participants, click invite, choose email or copy invite link, and send.